Okay, so let's practice what we just went over. So I want everybody to go back to their student homepage, which, like I said, it will look similar to this, but you might have a different picture. So let's go to your classes tab, and I'm just going to go to class. I'm going to go to math as an example. And then from here, I'm going to click on that content tab. So I'm in math, but these are the same steps that you will follow no matter what course you're actually in. So click the content tab. And then from here, this is where all of your units, your lessons that you need to read, your quizzes, your tests, everything will be located here on the left-hand side of the screen under the content tab. And like I said, everything will be located right through here. And check marks are obviously good because that means that it was completed. So this is where you will go to find all of your assignments in your courses. From here, then, you can check that grades tab, which again will be located in the same place for all of your courses. This is nice because it gives you your points that you've earned, what letter grade that you currently have, and then you can scroll through and actually see all of your assignments that have been completed throughout the semester. And this is kind of neat. You can get feedback from your teacher. It'll give you the points that you've earned, the letter grade, just a nice breakdown. This is also a great place to go to see if you are missing assignments. So if if you see something like this or a 0, maybe you'll get a feedback from your teacher, some feedback from your teacher saying that you're missing it, things like that. This is just a great resource for you to go and check to see where you are in that specific course. And then, like I had said, we can go into, say, science. And I just kind of want to show you that it's the exact same thing. So we're in science now. We go to the content tab. And again, all of your lessons will be located here. And then we can go to the grades tab. And then here you can see a breakdown of your grade in science. So, all right, let's keep going. You're doing awesome.